Day 15, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and we're getting a train from Jaipur, where we are now, to Agra. Hello. The dog's just gone under the train, I'm a bit nervous. But everyone in India climbs over the tracks. What? I'd give this train a 5-star review. It's very nice. We've come to Pizza Hut and it's all got a bit much for everyone. And the beer is £1.20. Sorry. Look how full this fridge is. It has a screen in it. Look how empty this Pizza Hut is. Well, it's just the upstairs, but... We've come to a really nice pool. This slide is so much fun! Go, go, go! Where is it? I can't even see it. There.
Where's the scaffolding? Yeah, where's the film home?
Taj Mahal! First glimpse of the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, man!
We've come to the baby Taj. It's amazing. It's getting me excited for the real Taj Mahal. Being a model. It's better to ask for forgiveness than permission.
In jail, I'll ask for the...
We're all having a photo shoot outside the baby Taj. It's Daniel's turn. Women want their picture taken, but they also want 100 rupees for it.
Is that the Taj Mahal?
Yes. We've come to a park that is straight behind the Taj Mahal. It's very cool. It's huge. I'm gonna scare them. Did you see that?
Coming?
It's coming, we're going. It's gonna close, you're gonna be here stuck forever. We've come to India in the middle of their summer. It was 45 degrees yesterday and now it's raining. Oh. So we just had a really nice dinner and now we're gonna go and have some drinks, which is a really stupid idea because we've got to be up at 4:30 in the morning to go and visit the Taj Mahal. So I'll see you tomorrow to go and see one of the 7 wonders of the world. Exciting.